Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. All praises go to the Most High, Yah. Thank you, Father, for allowing us to see another day. Okay, y'all, so I'm coming to you all today really quick with a video on something. I may have done a video on these before. I'm trying to remember, trying to catch up with myself. But before I get started, could y'all please make sure you remember to thumbs up this video so that this video can go into rotation for others to see. It is so very important. Okay, so today, what y'all see here is a beautiful glass mix, and this is called Confetti Glass Bead Mix. For those of you who are interested in where I purchased it, this is what it looks like. This is the container that it comes in. Yes, it's $19.99, but most of it, when I buy this, I get this from Hobby Lobby. I get it at half price. You get all of that goodness in there. See all of that? All of that. You get, wait a minute. I was looking to see how much you get in here. You get a good amount, as you can see. It's a nice size jar. A nice size jar. I'm thinking that it's a pound, but don't quote me on it. But it's a nice size jar. All right, and you get all of this in here. And I sat down and I started working on something for you all. But I wanted to show y'all first. This is what I've started doing. I started putting my beads together. I haven't really decided on what type of DIY project that I'm going to come to you all with. I have quite a few of them. I worked on something yesterday, then I decided against it. So these beads, once again, came from Hobby Lobby, okay? Hobby Lobby. They're called the Confetti Glass Bead Mix. I know people are gonna ask me, where did you get it? But it's a bead in there that don't even belong in there. Do y'all see him right there? I don't even know how he got in there. Of course, you know I put it in there, right? So this is basically all that I wanted to come and show y'all. I'm working on a project. I haven't decided what project yet, but it will be coming, and it will come in a form of a how to make video for you all. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, I haven't done too many projects with this, but I have done projects with this mix. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me for these videos. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you all's support. Thank y'all for taking out the time to watch and write a comment. Thank y'all so very much. Thank you to my new supporters and, of course, my loyal supporters, for those of you who keep coming and showing up for my content. All right, so with that being said, y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.